Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Dog Kennel, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Dog Kennel, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dog kennel from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BestPet Folding Metal Wire Outdoor and Indoor Pet Dog Cage. Crate. The BestPet Folding Metal Wire Dog Cage is the perfect solution for both indoor and outdoor use, providing a secure and comfortable space for your pet. Designed with safety in mind, it features rounded corners to protect your pet and 2 large doors for easy access, each with heavy-duty slide bolt latches to keep your pet securely inside. This crate is incredibly easy to set up, with no tools required, and can be folded flat for convenient storage or travel. The durable, leak-proof ABS tray ensures easy cleanup and prevents odors, while the integrated lip around the perimeter keeps messes contained. Whether you're at home or on the go, the collapsible design and removable carrying handle make it portable and perfect for trips or camping. Suitable for large dogs, this crate is a must-have for any pet lover. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our reliable after-sales service. Number 2. Amazon Basics Durable Foldable Metal Wire Dog Crate with Tray. The Amazon Basics Durable Foldable Metal Wire Dog Crate is the perfect choice for pet owners looking for a secure and convenient crate for their dogs. Designed for medium-sized dogs like Corgis, Brittany's, Cocker Spaniels, and French Bulldogs, this 36-inch crate ensures comfort with its spacious interior. The durable metal wire construction features a manual door-locking mechanism to keep your pet safely contained. It's easy to set up and folds down flat for convenient transport or storage, with a top handle for comfortable carrying. With 2 doors, front and side, you can access your pet with ease. The crate also includes a divider for customizable space and a removable plastic tray for easy cleaning. For added security, a metal hook locks the tray in place, preventing any movement. This crate is a must-have for any dog owner, offering both convenience and reliability for your pet's safety. Number 3. LEMBERI Heavy-Duty Welded Wire Outdoor Dog Kennel for Large Dogs. The LEMBERI Heavy-Duty Welded Wire Outdoor Dog Kennel is the perfect solution for large dogs who need space to play and exercise outdoors. Built with high tensile strength wire, this kennel is sturdy, durable, and designed to withstand even the most energetic dogs. Its epoxy coating resists rust, corrosion, and fading, ensuring long-lasting performance in any weather. The waterproof roof cover provides full protection from the sun, rain, snow, and debris with UV protection to prevent damage over time. The kennel's large interior offers ample space for your pets to move freely, while the modular design allows for easy setup and customization. It's simple to assemble, with panels that clamp together effortlessly, requiring just one person to set up or take down. For added security, the easy-to-use latch and lock design keeps your pets safe inside the kennel. Perfect for outdoor use, this kennel offers both durability and convenience for pet owners. Number 4. Midwest Homes for Pets Newly Enhanced Double-Door iCrate Dog Crate. The Midwest Homes for Pets newly enhanced double-door iCrate Dog Crate is the ideal solution for medium-sized dogs, offering a secure, comfortable, and portable home for your pet. Designed with enhanced security features, it includes a slide bolt door latch with patented paw block and locking tips to keep your dog safe. Measuring 30-inch long, 19-inch wide, 21-inch height, it's perfect for dogs weighing 26 to 40 pounds. This crate is equipped with a divider panel, durable leak-proof plastic pan, and protective rubber feet for stability and comfort. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, and the crate folds flat for easy storage and travel. The iCrate features proper ventilation, large door openings, and rounded corner clips for added safety. Whether you're at home or on the go, this crate provides a secure, den-like environment for your dog. Plus, with exceptional customer support, you can trust Midwest Homes for Pets to provide quality care. Number 5. Homey Pet 3 Pack 3 Levels 43-inch Dog Crate with Wheels. The Homey Pet 3-Pack 3 Levels 43-inch Dog Crate with Wheels offers a versatile and secure living space for medium-sized dogs such as French Bulldogs and Beagles. This stackable and connectable design allows you to create multiple levels or expand the space to accommodate more dogs, making it ideal for pet retailers, groomers, or pet owners with multiple pets. The durable alloy steel construction features a secure, escape-proof lock design and top and front door access for easy interaction and placement. Each crate is equipped with 4 lockable 360-degree universal wheels for smooth mobility indoors or outdoors. With removable, slide-out-proof metal floor grids and a waste tray, cleaning is a breeze. The crate also includes adjustable height dog bowls, ensuring your pet's comfort during mealtime and supporting proper posture. The versatile divider accommodates both small and large breeds, making it perfect for growing pets. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.